Beautiful people, how are you doing today? How is everybody? This is CHIMA'S daddy. I've taken over the show today, so I'll be teaching you guys how to achieve this beautiful look on CHIMA'S hair and her face. As you can see, CHIMA is ready and willing to get her hair done. And for those of you who are seeing this show for the first time, you see how grown her hair is. It wasn't like this a couple of months ago, but her mom made her own things to apply on the hair and helped it to grow to this point. So if you want to see how we achieve this look, do yourself a favor and go over the previous videos, and you will see what's up right there. First of all, these are the things you need to use for the hair. This hair will be using a Cuban hair, I call it hair extension, shine and jam conditioning hair gel, Murray cream, bee wax, beads, scissors, and that red thing, I don't know what it is called. So right here, when patterning the hair, you're gonna use the gel to pat the hair with the tiny comb. I don't know what you guys call that, but I know it's comb. So when you do the patterning, you're gonna use the gel to put them together, and then apply the rubber to hold the hair together. And then you go for the second one, or for the next. I think on this hair we'll be patterning the hair into 8 pieces or sections, and we're gonna do the patterning, all of the 8 patternings. We'll get them together and then we'll start the braiding. Yeah, today, as you can see, Chima is happy. She has given up her head and her hair for her mom to play with, and even as she enjoy her favorite snack, the Cheerios. Yeah, this is another type of hair gel. I don't know what that one is. I don't know the name, but you guys will be here with me, okay? After I'm teaching you, this is I'm representing all the men, all the fathers, all the guys, you know. So this is how we do our show. This is how we run our things. It doesn't have to be you ladies' way. So bear with us. Yeah, you can see Chima. The hair is she's already achieving a new look on her face with just the patterning of the hair, and she's busy watching her Dave and Ava cartoons. Yeah, you see the hair is almost done. So use that clip to keep. Actually, I don't know how the mom is doing the magic because I think she's patterning each section. She like cut it into braid one and use the clip to keep the other section together, and then along the way she will bring the other one in and do the magic or the twisting. Honestly, I don't know how she does it, but yeah, that's what I'm saying. As you see, as she's going now, she's gonna bring in the other section that she's holding down with the clip, and I think, let's see, you see what I'm saying? Now she's now putting up the other one that she held down. I don't know if my eye is deceiving me, or yeah, of course, that's what happens. Each of these 8 sections, she will divide one into 2 and braid the first one, and then holding the other one with the clip, and then she will braid the second one. So that is to say that each of these 8 sections is going to produce 2 strings of hair, making it 16 at the end of the day. And then at the end of this, she will put the beads, and I don't know how she did that. You guys knows exactly what is going on, but I don't understand the magic. Yeah, so that is what is going on, even as Chima is willing and ready to see her new hair finished. Yep, so let's watch and see how the rest will play down. Let's see how the finishing part of it will you know. Look at Chima, how beautiful she is. It seems she's getting tired and about to resist all this stain going on in her hair. Yeah, you can also see we use various colors of beads, blue ones, white ones, and like a gold looking type. Chima is also going on with her Dave and Ava videos, enjoying her Cheerios, and I think we have 1 or 2 to go for this section to be over. Oh yeah, Chima is about to start fighting. I think she's getting tired of being trapped in one place because she's very active. She's very active and hardly stays one place. Oh yeah, there comes brother Chino. Chino has come to supervise what is going on. You know, he's around. He has just shown his face to you guys. By the way, I try to cut his hair. It's war. I take him to the barber shop. It's war. So any day he gets a haircut, everybody in the house will have to be around him and do the fighting together before we can get his hair done. You know, we can manage to hold him down and get his hair done. As against the barbershop guys, they're always scared, you know, trying to be sure that they are not strangling the boy or applying too much pressure on him, you know. Yeah, back to Chima's the Chima's show. The hair is almost completed, and I think the desired look is achieved. Yep, she's beautiful as ever. Oh, her brother is actually trying to share with the video, even though he doesn't like Dave and Ava. His is Coco Melon, but I think being alone in their room, he's tired of being alone in the room watching Coco Melon. That's why he comes around. So again, this particular grease or gel, I don't know what the name is called. I don't even know where okay, let's see where she's gonna apply it. Okay, just trying to keep the edges together. Yeah, that's what she's doing. And then use the brush to, you know, help everything to come together and give Chima the perfect look that she deserved. Yeah, look at my girl. She's beautiful. I think you can agree with me. She is. And as a means of promotion, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, do us that favor and subscribe, share with your groups, your WhatsApp groups, your whichever social media platform you belong in. Please do us that favor and share. This will encourage us to keep presenting you with wonderful tutorials or lectures on how to grow your child's hair and make a simple, good-looking hair for them. And as well, you know that Chima's mom is a makeup artist, and she also have a tutorials going on how you can learn how to make your face look great. Yeah, so do us a favor and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we'll continue to grow. And as you support us, I also pray that God will provide people who will support you in whatever you're doing. You know, it is said that iron sharpeneth iron. Okay, we can't grow on isolation, so we need your help. We need you to subscribe and do it now, especially now that I've come to hijack this show, so that will also encourage the guys to pay attention when their daughter's hair is being done, be it at home or at the salon. You know, yeah, encourage the guys, encourage the men. The men need your encouragement. Yeah. All right, so I think we have come to the end of this tutorial, and Chima is looking spectacular. You can say that with me. Chima is looking incredibly beautiful. Yeah, by the way, I'm open. Anybody applying for you know, well, let me keep that to myself until the next tutorial. I'll tell you guys what I think right now. Yeah, Chima is beautiful, the hair is beautiful, and the mom is doing a very wonderful job on her hair, on growing her hair and maintaining the hair and all that. I'm super proud of her. Yeah, once again, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your critics. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing. Chima says, we are tired of sitting here. Let us go. Get me out of this chair. Get me out of this chair. I told you guys, I think she knows her hair is ready. That's why she just want to get out. Yeah, look at the queen. She is, well, I say the princess. Yeah, the princess. Yeah, she's ready. I can fly. That's what she's saying now. Standing on her, you know, on her chair, like, mommy, get me out. Get me down out of this high rising chair. All right, guys, stay blessed and stay blessed. Show Chima some love by subscribing to this channel, and share with your other platforms, share with your loved ones, especially those with little children.